So student, in the last class we did the rotation of coordinate axis, that when x-axis and y-axis both rotated through an angle theta in anti-clockwise direction, then what will be the coordinate of new point? In the new situation, what will be the coordinate? Now in this lecture we will combine both. One is shifting of origin and one is rotation of coordinate axis. Means suppose x-axis and y-axis, these are original x-axis and y-axis intersecting each other at origin, that is 0, 0. Now when this 0, 0 shifted to any other point, suppose this is O dash whose coordinate is h, k. So this new axis, these two, x-axis and y-axis, these two now rotating through an angle of theta, and then this x-axis and y-axis, now first this origin shifted to the point hk, and then this new axis rotated through the angle theta. So this will be the finally the new position of the axis and new position of this y-axis, and this is the x-axis. If the coordinate of any point P is x, y with respect to the original x-axis and y-axis, and the coordinate of the same point is x dash, y dash with respect to this new axis, then in that case, what will be the relation between these two coordinates? What is x, y, h, k and x dash, y dash are related? So we will write it, x is equal to h plus x dash cos theta minus y dash sin theta, and y is equal to k plus x dash sin theta plus y dash cos theta, where xy is the old coordinate of the point P and x dash y dash is the new coordinate in the new situation of the point P, and h, k is the new origin. Now student, in this situation we did that the coordinate axis first of all shifting and then rotating, and this relation we will find out with the help of the previous session we did last time, that we will draw perpendicular from P to the old axis, draw the perpendicular from P to the new axis, and then after that we will find out the coordinate. So now I am taking the situation when the two any perpendicular straight lines are taken as the axis, then what will happen? How we will get the coordinate of that point in the new situation? If two mutually perpendicular lines are taken as axis, then what will happen? So student, I am taking here, suppose ax plus by plus c is equal to 0 and bx minus ay plus k equal to 0 are two mutually perpendicular lines, and suppose px, y be the point with respect to the original axis. Means suppose these are two lines, ax plus by plus c equal to 0, and this line is bx minus ay plus k equal to 0, and this is the point px, y with respect to the old axis, and this is the coordinate of the same point x dash, y dash, but with respect to this new axis, ax plus by plus c equal to 0 and bx minus ay plus k equal to 0. Then in this situation, how we will get the relationship between x dash, y dash and xy? So it is x dash is equal to bx minus ay plus k upon root under b square plus a square, and y dash is equal to ax plus by plus c upon root under a square plus b square. This is the relationship. Using this relationship, you can find out the new coordinate of the same point P. that is x dash and y dash. Now student, how we will find this? So you can see x is what? X is the distance of the point from the y-axis. In this situation, x dash is what? X dash will be the distance of the point from this axis, and y dash will be the distance of the same point from this axis. So if you find the distance of point from this line, it will be x dash. Distance is bx minus ay plus k divided by root under b square plus a square. This we did in distance of a point from a straight line, because the given point is already at x comma y. So distance of x comma y from this point is bx minus ay plus k upon root under b square plus a square, and that distance is equal to x dash. Same way, here we will find the distance of the point from this line. So distance of the point from this line is ax plus by plus c divided by root under a square plus b square, and that distance is given as y dash, because we supposed new coordinate is x dash comma y dash.